How are you not cool?
I'm so unbelievably loud.
Menace.
Oh! Guys! 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 Oh my god.
What the fuck is
He
that?
better not move. Oh my god, he can't. Oh my god, he saw it.
Are you kidding me?
I can't stop.
No, just... What can I do? What do I do? What the fuck do I do?
No. No. Run. Literally.
I'm out of fucking...
No.
I'm out.
I can't control it. I can't control it.
No. Oh my god. No. I'm just getting beat to death. I can't.
There we go.
Oh god.
Oh shit.
Oh shit.
The fuck is going on over there?
Who just died?
Oh. The fuck?
Girl, watch out.
You're dead. She's so dead. She's so dead. She's dead.
What?
Oh my god.
Oh my
What?
Oh my god. Oh my.
I don't know who I killed, if I'm being honest. I can't see y'all's names. That's a lie. That's a lie.
Hold on.
Give him a swirly. Give him a swirly.
That's what I was just thinking.
Here we go. Yeah. Get in there.
Oh.
Okay.
Where's Palm at? Where's Palm at? There's a special place in hell for you, and it's right on Satan's lap.
Why
Alright,
are you
let's go.
taking me here?
Where's Palm at? Where
Mom.
you have a special spot in hell.
I warned you to back up.
And I said I'm not afraid of a gun.
It's not my fault.
What was that?
Oh my god, Bob. They're behind
You keep your heart.
Oh,
Okay,
shit.
okay. Let's
Hey.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He missed. Dumbass. Hit me. He's hitting the table. Hit me. How dare you? Fuck.
Oh, hi.
What is it?
Are y'all alive?
Where's the second extraction? Or first?
I don't know. I haven't found it. Oh, the first?
Who keeps sneezing?
Oh my god.
Hey.
Hey, let's go.
We back.
We have been revived.
Shit.
Jiggle at maximum terminal velocity.
Why am I going so slow? Why am I so slow?
You're in the car, bro.
You're in the car.
What the?
Lit. Oh, what is this? Basketball.
Ow!
Oh, fuck. Sorry.
More? Yeah, you thought you were something. Oh. Where are you all coming from? Ah! Hold on.
Where's my strength upgrade?
Oh my god.
What is happening? Wait, what did you do? How do—
Oh no!
Shit.
That killed us?
Okay. What do you guys— I just lost so much health from that!
No, he's taking her stuff. You bastard. No!
Grab him.
Damn! He eated that shit.
Whoop this baby's ass. I want to have kids just to do this.
I got stamina. Hey.
We're gonna find out what that stamina does.
Yo.
Hello?
I was on a kill.
Very specific.
She's alive.
She's back!
I dropped my ducky.
Wait, it came up! It went back up!
It went back up.
Oh shit!
My duck.
Oh my god! Oh shit! Stop!
What? The hell? The hell? There's a dead. We failed you.
I think. Oh, don't. Oh god.
5,000, let's go.
Oh my god.
Okay.
You're fucking shitting me.